Hi everyone. Now we are going to see how to interface the analog to digital converter with the ARM7 LPC 2148 starter kit. Okay. So we all know that how the analog signal is converted into digital signal. So first analog signal is we are taking samples of analog signals and using some quantization method we are converting the analog signals into the digital signals. So we can straight away go to the interfacing part. So for in the screen you can see the LPC 2148 starter kit. So this is the LPC 2148 microprocessor. So these are the peripheral interfacing that is already connected with the microprocessor kit. So first we have to connect the PC with LPC 2148 starter kit. So we can use either VGA cable or USB cable. So now I am connecting the board with the USB cable. So so we have one switch. So in that we have to select the USB. So there is a two options, UART and USB. So we are connecting the board with computer through the USB. So select the switch as USB. The next another thing is in another one switch is there. So the options are execution and programming. While we are doing program, so keep the switch in the program side, and if we have done the program and we are waiting for the execution, means keep the switch in the execution side. For this interfacing I'm going to use the IAR embedded workbench and Flash Magic software for the interfacing. So just open the IAR embedded workbench. So in that, click project, create new project, then click OK. Then you want to save the project in a location. I am saving it is in desktop as embedded. So we are going to do the ADC interfacing. So I am giving the name project as ADC. Then click OK. The next step is we want to write the C program for interfacing. So click File, New, File. So the program window will get open. So you want to type the ADC converting program. So I'm already having that program. So I just copy that program. So this is the program for interfacing ADC to the LPC 2148 kit. These are the libraries. Then you are defining the clock frequency as 12 megahertz. Then these are the process for sampling and quantization process. Then we are selecting the 28th pin as the analog output and baud rate as 19200. So then we are going to print the analog and digital values in the window. So now after typing your program, just save your program, file, save, then save it as adc.sync. So save these files already you in the project locations. Already we created a location for the project. So save in that location. After that, you want to add the C program file to the project. For that, click project, add files, then select the C program file, then click open. So now you can see in the left corner, the program is added in the project. So after that, you want to compile, you want to generate the X file to embed in the microcontroller kit. So for that, you have to change some data. For that, click projects, then option, then in that click enable device. In that we are using the NXP LPC 2148 kit. So select the kit NXP LPC 2148. Then after that you can enable the code. So then click OK. After that, output converter. So generate, enable the generate additional output. Then the output format will be the Intel extender. Then enable the override default. So in that you can create the adc.hxc. This is the file to embed in the microcontroller kit. So after that, click linker. So enable the override default. Then you want to choose the file. For that, I am having the flash file. So you can choose LPC2148 flash.ifc. Then click open. After this, click open. Then now the execution part is over. Then after that, click project, then rebuild all. Then give a file name. So I'm giving ADC. Then save. Then after rebuilding in program, the compiler will check the errors. So you can see the message here. The total number of errors is 0. The total number of warning is 0. So the X file is generated. So next step is we want to inbuild the X file to the microcontroller kit. So for that we are using the Flash Magic software. So just open the Flash Magic software. This is the Flash Magic window. After opening that, check the COM port for that is communication port that is connected to the board. So I am connecting COM port 3. Then baud rate is 9600. Then device is LPC2148. Then you want to upload the X file that is generated. We have generated already. So search that location you have saved your project. So in that there will be a folder called debug, then execution. In that execution folder you can see the adc.hxe file. So select that file, then open. Select erase block used by hex file. So after selecting your hxe file, check whether the switch is in the programming part. So click start. your program is now embedding into the LPC 2148. So after finishing this process, it will show the message as finished. So now you can turn on the switch to the execution side, then click reset. Okay, after clicking the reset, you can see your output. So I am using the WinX tag software to see the serial port communication output. In that, select the COM port as 3. Already we have using these 3. So baud rate as 19,200. You can see in the program we are using 19,200 as a baud rate. Then click open port. So now you are seeing the ADC value and equivalent digital voltage. So this is the potentiometer. So while I am changing the potentiometer, so you can see the values of the ADC and the digital voltage can be changed. So this is the output for interfacing the ADC with LPC 2148. So now while changing the potentiometer, the simultaneous digital value will get changed. So here the potentiometer is the analog signal. So we are seeing the digital signal in the screen. Thank you.